you would like to give your scarf a professional finish, then why not try adding some fringing? In this video I'll show you the easiest way to add a fringe to your scarf, and it's a lot easier than it looks. So I've got my scarf here and I'm going to be using the same yarn for the fringe as I did for the scarf. You don't have to do that. You could have a plain scarf with lots of different coloured tassels. You can do whatever you like. So we're going to start off by cutting strands of yarn that are roughly double the length that you want your tassels to be. So once you fold them over, you want them to be a little bit longer because you're going to be tying the knots and you're going to be trimming the edges. So go for just a little over twice the length you want them to be. Now I'm using 6 strands of yarn to make my tassels. I'm making quite large tassels. You can use 1 strand of yarn and then attach your tassels much more frequently and make a finer fringe, or you could use even more strands of yarn to make even bigger tassels. So in order to attach your tassel to your scarf, have your yarn folded over like so. I'm going to insert my crochet hook into the bottom of the scarf and just pull those loops through to the other side like so, and take my hook out and then put my thumb and forefinger just in there, and we're going to tie a lark's head knot. So all you do is put this end through the loop and pull that tight, and that's called a lark's head knot. Now you might want to go ahead and just very gently pull each individual strand just so that it neatens your knot up a little bit, just like that. There we go, and that's, and this is how it looks on the other side. It's so quick and easy. So I just need to add one more to finish off this side of the scarf. So I will show you again. Just fold over your yarn, put your hook through the bottom of the scarf with your crochet hook, pull those loops through, thumb and forefinger through and pull all those loops through. I'm also going to grab this one, this is the tail from the scarf, to include that in there. Saves me having to sew that in. And again, just go ahead and adjust as necessary. Once you're happy with how your tassels look, then all that's left to do is give them a bit of a trim. So you just need to straighten them all out. And trim. And there you have it. It really does give a really professional look to your scarf. And if you would like to see exactly how I made this scarf, then watch this next video. Bye bye now.